of red flames in front of me, and you were behind them. Like, if Freddy doesn't win down there, I'm probably going to eat him. I would have started on his head.
Well, that's funny though. Funny little creature.
Look. Yeah, he was like annoying but lovable character. Isn't he? He's like a brother that you just, it's so annoying but you still laugh at. That's a good way.
No, not my hand. Look. Looky. Looky.
Duffy and Chris and Siavash are in the bedroom.
I can't wait to see what happens tomorrow.
Oh, I love him as a sort of
Fucking hell, there's only one decent outcome of it. As far as I'm concerned.
You want fair outcome.
Yeah. But it's two, but if it's down to just justice, but if it's down to like fair play, then
The thing is, I do believe if the Fox